I'm planning to release one video every Sunday titled Dalal Street Week Ahead, where I'm planning to discuss the factors that will be influencing the market during the next 1 week. So this will be my first such video. Next week, there are only 3 trading sessions, as Monday and Friday are holidays. So the markets may not be making very big moves, but however, this corona effect will be definitely having some impact. The first thing, the India VIX is falling, so therefore markets may not make very big moves. On Friday, US unemployment data, non-farm payroll data, which came very, very bad. But despite that, Dow Jones fell only 300 points. Last month, we know every day Dow Jones used to make a move of more than 1,000 points. But now, despite the big news, big negative news, Dow Jones fell only 300 points. So all over the world, there seems to be some kind of selling exhaustion. So therefore, the impact on negative news is very limited. So that is why I also feel that we will be having a less impact on the downside here. But however, looking at some data points, it's really disturbing. Particularly, the Bank Nifty has been very, very bad. Even on Friday, the Bank Nifty hugely underperformed Nifty. Both HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank ADRs fell about 8%. And many people ask me where we can find the ADR prices. There are a number of places you can see. One, you can see, just go to Google, type Indian ADR prices live data or just live. So you can see full list of Indian ADRs, investing.com, and here you can see Infosys fell more than 4%, ICICI Bank ADR 8.13%, HDFC Bank ADR is 8%. So because both ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank has fallen about 8% in US, and we can expect Bank Nifty to open lower, that may drag down the Nifty also. So therefore, definitely on Tuesday morning, we may have some kind of a negative bias unless world markets rally on Monday. So in my opinion, we may be trading between 7,500 to 8,500 during the next 3 days. And as usual, markets are going to be highly volatile. Please keep watching the India VIX. If India VIX continue to fall, then the downfall may not be very drastic. In addition to this, we also have to look at the crude prices, Indian rupee movement against US dollar, and few other data points. So my expectation is that Nifty will be trading between 7,500 and 8,500 during the next 1 week. Thank you.